Hello students, welcome to Rising Sun Premier School online classes. I hope you are doing very well at your home with your family. It's Ritu Yadav, your English teacher. Today we will learn topic preposition. For this topic, I will explain with the help of an activity. For this activity, we require two boxes and one object, any type of object. So let's start. Preposition, the word which shows a relationship between noun, pronoun and other part of the sentences is called preposition. For example, books are kept in the drawer. The cat is hiding under the tree. The girl jumped into the river. Bridge is made over the bank. So, in these sentences, the word under, in, into and over are showing the relationship between noun, pronoun and other part of the sentences. So, therefore, under, in, over, into, these words are preposition. So, with the help of this activity, I will explain preposition. First is under. So when something is in this case, the preposition is used under. So this box, this little box is under this box. Suppose pen. The pen is under the box. The pen is under the box. So first preposition is under. Next is upon. Next is upon. When something is jumped over the box, so this condition, this situation is upon. Okay, so the pen upon the box. The next is in. The next is in. The pen is in the box. The pen is in the box. Next is on. This condition is on. The pen is on the box. The pen is on the box. Next is in front of. So, pen or this object. This little box is in front of this box. In front of this box. Next is behind. Behind. This little box is behind this box. Okay? The little box is behind this box. Next is next to. Next to. The pen is next to the box. The pen is next to the box. Next is between. Between. There is a two boxes and this object is between these two boxes. So this condition is between, preposition. This box is between these two boxes. Between. Clear? And the last and next is over. This box is over this box. Okay? The pen is over the box. The pen is over the box. So these are few prepositions which I explained. I hope you will learn these prepositions with the help of this activity very well. Okay. Thank you. Bye-bye.